Kingdom.
Made our way back to Magic Kingdom. It's only been, what, like 8-9 months since we've been?
We were here in December for Christmas.
Again, the whole goal of coming back this time was to see the Happily Ever After fireworks for the last time.
Tonight.
But for now, let's take in Magic Kingdom. We're on our marathon, how we normally do when we start the park. Just got off of
Yeah, so we started off with 7 North Mine Train, and then from there we went...
Ariel's?
Yeah, Ariel.
Because that was like a walk-on.
It was walk-on, and then we went to Haunted Mansion.
Yeah. So we just got off Haunted Mansion now. I think we're going to make our way over a little bit before lunch. Now we're going to go do the Adventureland area.
Yeah.
Probably do Jungle Cruise, Pirates of the Caribbean, Big Thunder Mountain Railroad, and we'll see what else.
Yeah.
And then maybe grab lunch, and then Space Mountain. Probably after that, do Tomorrowland.
The crowds are very low. Well, it's only just after 11 right now.
I mean, relatively compared to the last time we were here, this is nothing.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, we did Small World. Did you say that?
No.
Yeah, we did Small World too.
Small World. That's
yeah, when
right.
we started the parks, we always kind of just do a marathon. So let's do it.
Okay, let's go.
Big Thunder Mountain Railroad.
Yeah, that's
it. All right, Splash Mountain time. It's time to switch over to the GoPro. You ready for it?
Yeah, it's gonna be our last time on Splash Mountain before they switch it over.
Yeah, and
Princess and the Frog.
yeah. Oh, that's true. Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Right?
Now's the perfect time while it's just freaking hot too.
Yeah, it's really hot.
All the water just went straight to my eyes. People mover time.
People mover.
And we got the castle in the background
How
there.
beautiful.
This goes quicker than I remember.
I know.
This is where Tron is going to be. We've done a lot of rides now so far, and then we just had lunch at Cosmic Race Diner, had a salad, and she had a burger.
And right after that we went on Space Mountain.
Chugged a couple drinks, staying hydrated, and trying to at least.
Yeah.
So what do you think? Carousel of Progress, and what else?
Yes. Carousel of Progress. And then, I mean, for the Astro Blasters.
True.
I guess.
Yeah, we're just knocking out as many rides as possible, so we're just going to do a bunch of clips here and there, and then we're going to do dinner at the Jungle Cruise at the Skipper Canteen.
Skipper Canteen. I do want to try to catch some cavalcades.
Yeah, a couple cavalcades, and then obviously why we're here is the Happily Ever After fireworks. So we'll see you guys at dinner.
There's a great, big, beautiful tomorrow, shining at the end of every day. There's a great, big, beautiful tomorrow, and tomorrow's just a dream away.
We do have a few highlights of the room, though. They're up here, right next to my adoring fans.
I get it.
While we walk this way, I'm going to address the elephant in the room. I know you're all wondering. She's up on that balcony there. And you can take pictures. She left her trunks on today. Thank God.
Enjoying some much deserved drinks. Sangria.
So this is a house-made sangria. So you can choose red or white. So I went with red.
And I've got the Kungaloosh spiced ale.
Hopefully these are falafel good for you.
Yeah.
All right. Do you need anything else right now, y'all?
No, I think we're looking
I
good.
think
All right, enjoy.
Perfect, thank you. So that's a falafel there. And is that hummus too? Looks like
Oh, it did say something about hummus.
Okay. And then ketchup is here.
How do I eat this?
braised pork. Is it pork or beef?
I think
On corn cakes. I think it's beef. Or pork. It looks like pork.
probably gonna say the wrong thing, so I'm not even gonna answer that.
And the green salad.
It all looks really good. Let's dig in.
Did you like dinner?
It was really good.
It was good. I think it might be my favorite spot here.
Very flavorful. We were like, oh, we're not that hungry, and here I am, like scarfing it all down.
I know, right?
At Skipper Canteen.
Last ride for the night. Time to go grab a spot for the fireworks.
I know, it's starting to get dark. Oh, this means it's almost over.
I'm sure we'll be back soon enough.
And they all live happily ever after.
That's what friends are for. Mr. Aladdin, have a wish or two or three. On the drum, you bring it on your ring. Never had a friend, never had a friend you ain't. Never had a friend, never had a friend you ain't. Never had a friend. Never had a friend like me. It's like the fog is lifted, and at last I see the light. And it's night, the sky is blue, and it's warm and real and bright, and the world is somehow shifted. All at once, everything is different now than
And so our journey comes to an end, but yours continues on. Grab hold of your dreams and make them come true. For you are the key to unlocking your own magic. Now go, let your dreams guide you. Reach out and find your happily ever after.
The battles, the stories, the losses, and all the glory.
We're changed by the way we live every day. Just look up and reach to the sky.
We all have the courage to fly. You can fly. You can fly. You can fly. You can
This is the last time we'll be able to see the fireworks.
I know.
The happily ever after fireworks.
So
that is.
they just ended. It was worth it.
Yeah, it was definitely worth it.
It was worth the trip out here.
For sure.
And it was just as good as last time. It really brought back memories from our honeymoon. The year we got married is when they started it, and then we ended our honeymoon with happily ever after fireworks.
Yeah.
I'm glad we were able to see it one last time.
All worked out well.
Yeah.
Happy we came here. We're gonna go down Main Street now, do a little shopping.
Yeah.
So we'll see you guys there.
We'll see you there. I found this for Mowgli.
He'd look good in that. He'd be able to rock that.
Yeah. Do you
What's
think
that, $39.99?
Yes, $39.99. Do you think he would fit in this though?
That would probably be tight on him.
Yeah. I would love to see Mowgli in this.
Okay.
Or the Halloween stuff.
Let's see what they got.
Yeah.
You fit in over here.
I know. These are the Halloween ears from or fall ears from last year. The new ears for 2021 are like this. Yeah. Bright frilly fun. I haven't seen this either, but this is like a...
Yeah, something like Justin Scard would wear.
Yeah. Anything on the back? No, it's just the design.
All right, and that'll there's some bubbles in and that'll do it for this trip. Headed back to the hotel now. We have an early morning tomorrow, early flight back to Tucson.
But all in all, this trip is great. I know we did book this trip just to see, well, the main reason to see the Happily Ever fireworks for the last time, but it was also great to make another day of Magic Kingdom. So that was always good.
Right.
And explore more of Orlando that we haven't done before.
That's what, I really enjoyed on this trip.
Yeah.
So if you guys haven't seen those videos, be sure to check them out. We'll link them in the description below. But, thank you guys for watching. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next one.
Thank you for joining us, and we'll see you next time.